Alright, this video is going to be straightforward, as I'm going to walk you through how to set up your own private link shortener, just as we have link shorteners like Bitly, Cutly, and other link shorteners you know out there. In this particular video, you're going to learn how to build your own to shorten your links, and also sell to people who visit your website to use your link shortener just like Bitly. At the end of this video, you are going to own a private link shortener dashboard like the one you're seeing on your screen. Not only will you be able to shorten links using this link shortener that I'm going to show you in this video, you will be able to generate QR codes that will send SMS message to people when they scan the QR code. Not SMS alone can you use to send with the QR code generator that comes with this link shortener I'm about to show you in this video. You can send emails, generate QR code for any cryptocurrency, send file, and more. So, without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. But before we do, kindly subscribe to my channel if you're new and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. To set up your own link shortener, you are going to need three things. One, you will need a domain name that you will use to shorten your links just as we have Bitly or Cutly. The second thing you need is a hosting, and for this we are going to use a shared hosting. And the last thing you will need is the link shortener script to host on our website. So I'm going to take my time and walk you through each step one by one. Your job is to make time and follow every step I show you in this video to also set up your own private link shortener. Let's first get the domain and hosting and set up the website before getting the script to host on our website. For the domain, I'm going to use Shortener, but feel free to use any website to get your domain. If you also want to use Shortener for your domain, click on Domains. Next, enter the domain you want to use and click Search. Now, since this is a link shortener, make sure the domain name you choose is short, so I will enter my preferred domain and click Search. So I'm going to go with this tinyurl.io. I have already purchased this domain, so that's what I'm going to use to set up my link shortener. The .io domains are very expensive. It's not compulsory to also use .io extension, so just go ahead and purchase the domain and then let's proceed. Alright, I have logged into my Shortener dashboard and this is my domain. So make sure you purchase one before you proceed. After getting the domain, we need to get a shared hosting. Now feel free to purchase shared hosting from any website you want. But if you want to use the exact hosting I will be using to host my link shortener, then open a new tab and visit frankserena.com/shinjuru. You will be redirected to this website. When you get here, click on Web Hosting and select Budget Offshore Hosting from the menu. Scroll down and let's choose a plan. The basic plan is okay for me because I'm hosting just one website, which is the link shortener. But if you want to host multiple websites, choose the superior plan or the ultimate plan. So I will click on Order Now. Here, choose I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Next, copy and paste your domain name and its extension here and click Use. Next, select the 3 months plan and click Continue. Click Checkout. Next, fill in your personal details including your email and address, and then scroll down to the bottom and let's proceed with the payment. Now select your preferred payment method and proceed to make the payment to finally purchase the shared hosting. I'm going to pay with crypto, so I will select one and proceed to make the payment, and then we proceed. Alright, payment has been made. Click Continue to Seller Store and let's visit our hosting dashboard and proceed with the configuration. Alright, we are on our dashboard, meaning we've successfully purchased the hosting. Now click on the service and let's log into our cPanel. Next, click on Login to cPanel to log into your cPanel. Now after logging into your cPanel, click on your domain and let's check something. You could see that it's given us 403 forbidden error. This is because our domain is not connected to any hosting. So to make our website work, we need to connect our hosting to our domain name. And the way we do this is using Cloudflare. So open a new tab and visit cloudflare.com. Remember, you only use Cloudflare to connect your domain to your hosting only if you bought both domain and hosting from 2 different websites, just as I did in this video. I'm going to use Cloudflare because I bought my domain from Hostinger and hosting from Shinjuru, which is 2 different platforms. But if you happen to buy both domain and hosting from the same website, like for instance you bought both domain and hosting from Hostinger, then you don't have to use Cloudflare. Your website will work automatically. I believe this explanation makes sense. Now create an account if you don't have one and log in. After logging in, click on Add Site and enter your domain name. Next, scroll down and choose the free plan and proceed. Cloudflare will scan and populate your DNS records from your provider, and we need to delete them. So when you get to this point, make sure to delete all the records before you proceed. After deleting the DNS records, we need to point our given Cloudflare name servers to our domain. So copy your name server and head back to your domain provider. Click DNS/name servers. Click Change Name Servers. Now replace these with your Cloudflare name servers and save. After changing the name servers, it will take some time to fully propagate, and we have to wait before we proceed. So after some time, refresh your Cloudflare dashboard, and when you see this great news message, then it means the name server is fully propagated and we can proceed. Let's now point our domain to the hosting. And to do this, click on the DNS. Click Add Record. Make sure the record type is a record. Type the @ symbol at the name field. At the IPv4 address field, head back to your cPanel. Now copy and paste the shared IP address into the IPv4 address field in Cloudflare. Turn off proxy status and save. So that's it. This is how simple you point your domain to a hosting using Cloudflare. Now before we proceed to getting the link shortener script, let's add a few more records and proceed. Click Add Record again. Maintain the type as a record. At the name field, type mail. Paste your cPanel shared IP address at the IPv4 address field. Turn off proxy status and save. Let's add another a record. At the name field, type www and point it to your cPanel shared IP address. Turn off proxy status and save. So that's it. We've successfully pointed our domain to our hosting, and our website should work now. So let's visit our domain and refresh the page. Now you can see it has changed from 403 forbidden page to this. And once you see this index of slash, then it means your website is working and we can finally upload the link shortener script and set it up. We will get to that, but let's configure one important settings which will make us send and receive emails from our cPanel. And that is configuring the email deliverability. So to do that, head back to your cPanel dashboard, click on Email Deliverability. Click Manage. Now we are going to add 3 TXT records to be able to send and receive emails using our cPanel. These records are DKIM record, SPF record, and DMARC record. So starting from the DKIM record, copy the name and head back to Cloudflare. Click Add Record. For the type, choose TXT and paste the name you copied at the name field. Next, copy and paste its value at the content field and save. Let's repeat same for the SPF and the DMARC records. For the SPF record, only copy the value and head to Cloudflare. Add a new TXT record. Type the @ symbol at the name field and paste its value at the content field and save. Now if I refresh the page, you could see the DKIM and the SPF records are marked valid. This means everything is working as expected. The last record we are going to add is the DMARC record, and then we can proceed to get the link shortener file and host. For the DMARC record, we are going to use a third-party website to generate. So open a new tab and search DMARC record generator. Click on the Easy DMARC link. Now enter your domain name and follow same steps I take here. At the reports sent to, enter any domain and then create it later. I'm going to use reports at tinycut.io and then we'll later create this email. Finally, click Generate to generate the DMARC record. Now let's copy the name and create a new TXT record in Cloudflare. Next, copy and paste the value and save. Alright, that's it. We're done with the email deliverability, and we can now send and receive emails from our cPanel. Now the final step is getting the link shortener script to host on our website. Once again, before we proceed with the third step, let's do one important thing, and that is installing SSL on our domain. This is very important to get our website secured. Mostly you will see not secure written on your domain, and the way to get it secured is installing what we call SSL certificate. To install this, head back to your cPanel. Search for SSL. Click SSL status. This is what we need to mark green, so select everything and click Run Auto SSL. So as you can see, everything is marked green, meaning our website is now secured. Finally, let's get the link shortener script. And to get this script, open a new tab and visit franksarena.com. Click on the premium URL shortener. Now fill in your details including your email and password and proceed. You can choose to pay with either Bitcoin or Litecoin. I prefer the Litecoin, so I will select that. Click on the Copy tab and copy the generated address and proceed to make the payment. So I will copy the address and pay this exact amount. Alright, payment have been made. Next, click Return to Frank's Arena and let's download the link shortener script. After payment, you need to activate your account first to be able to log in and access the file. So check your email inbox or the spam folder to get the activation link and activate your account. So let me do that. That's the activation email. Now I will copy and paste the activation link and activate my account. Alright, my account is activated and I have been successfully logged in. Now let's download the script, so click on Downloads. Alright, the downloads is empty, meaning my payment is still pending. So you could see the status is marked as pending. Therefore, we need to wait till it changes to completed, and then we can download. Alright, it's completed. Now let's download the script. After downloading the link shortener file, locate it and extract. After extracting the file, head back to your cPanel dashboard and let's upload it. Scroll down and click on File Manager. Click Public HTML. Click Settings, check the Home directory and show Hidden Files and Save. Now select all and delete everything. Finally, click Upload and upload the link shortener file. Next, right-click on the file and extract. After extracting the file, head back to your domain and refresh the page to configure the link shortener. Alright, there you have it. Now let's perform the configuration and set it up. So scroll down and click Proceed. Next is the verification code. And for that you will find it in the link shortener folder, so I will copy and paste. Next step, we need to create database and also admin email, so let's create them and proceed with the configuration. Starting with the database, scroll down to the Databases section and click on Database Wizard. Give it any name and click Next Step. Again, enter the same name as the username and set up password, and then click Create User. Select all privileges and click Make Changes. So that's it. We've created the database. Now let's create the admin email. Right-click on the cPanel logo and open in a new tab. Click Email Accounts. Click Create. Type admin as the username. Give it a password and click Create. Now if you could remember, during the time we generated the DMark record on Easy DMark website, we entered a report email. So let's create that email to be able to see reports of our emails. So click Create again and let's create the reports email. That's it. Now let's proceed with the configuration. Let's enter the database credentials. For the database host, type localhost. Next, enter your database credentials and proceed. Next, enter your admin credentials including the admin email you created and proceed. Alright, we are done with the configuration. Let's log into our website and begin shortening our links. So this is how the home page will look like, and people can come to your website to use your link shortener to shorten their links, and you can sell it as a service to them, just as we have Bitly. Now before we log into the admin dashboard, let's test it out. So I'm going to shortenfranksarena.com to test it out. So this is the shorten link. Now if I paste this link in my browser, it's going to redirect me to franksarena.com, and I will be able to track the clicks in my admin dashboard. So as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now let's log into our admin dashboard and configure the settings. Now there are two dashboards you're going to have as admin. One is the user dashboard, where you as the admin you will use to shorten your own links. So this dashboard is my user dashboard that I will use to shorten my links. And the other dashboard is the admin dashboard, where you will track customers of anyone who uses your website to shorten their links, add payment method if you want to sell it as a service, and perform the necessary configuration. So if you check the URL, it says user, meaning we are in the user dashboard. So to log into the admin dashboard, click on the admin here to switch between the accounts. I am now in my admin dashboard, and you could see the user has now changed to admin in the URL. As stated earlier, you will be able to track users and links on your admin. This you see here is the franksarena.com I shortened on the homepage before logging in. Now I'm not going to walk you through everything because it's self-explanatory. What I could say about this application is that you can sell as a service, as I keep mentioning it. Again, you and your customers can generate QR codes, create bio pages. Also as admin, you can add multiple domains where users can use, or users can also add their own custom domain and then you can charge them for it. Not only that, you can set up affiliate program where affiliates can apply and promote your link shortener tool, and they will earn commission to boost sales. I will go through just a few, and after setting it up, just go through each settings and provide the needed info to fully configure your link shortener website. If you're using this personally, then there's no need to configure lots of settings as they are not needed. So let's proceed with some of the settings. Scroll down and click on Settings on the menu. So just as explained, if you're going to resell as a service, go through each setting and provide the needed info. It's self-explanatory and you don't need any guidance on this. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the QR code on how it works apart from shortening your links. For the domains, click on Domains on the menu. And then you add your new domains and click Add Domain. Now let's switch to the user dashboard and walk you through how the QR code works. Click on QR code on the menu. So this is very simple and straightforward. There are different actions you can choose to perform with the QR code generator. So anytime someone scans the QR code, the action you choose here will function. For instance, let's say you want to send SMS messages to people. All you have to do is to give your QR code a name and select SMS and message as the action type. Next, you will enter your phone number and the SMS message you want to send to people. So what is going to happen is that whoever scans this QR code, the message you type here will be sent to them automatically. So that's how the QR code works. You can also design the QR code to your liking, change the color, add your custom logo and more. So when you are done with the design and everything, you just click Generate QR to generate the QR code, and then you share for people to scan. That's it for the QR code. The last thing I'm going to talk about is shortening your links. So as stated earlier, to shorten your links as admin, always make sure you are switched to the user dashboard. And then this is where you will shorten your links. So let's test it out. This link shortener comes with a lot of options, such as targeting specific countries and devices the link should work for. So let's test it out. I'm going to shorten my YouTube channel URL. So I will type that here. Now you can either click shorten to shorten as the normal link shortening you know, or add an advanced targeting. For the advanced targeting, click on the options icon. So you can add a custom alias if you don't want a generated alias, but I'm going to leave my at auto-generated. You can also add a password, meaning whoever clicks on your link needs to enter a password before they can access the final URL you put here. Now to add the advanced targeting, click on the Customize button. So these are all options you can choose from, but I'm only going to concentrate on the geo-targeting and device targeting, starting from the geo-targeting. Now what this geo-targeting means is that you select the country or all the countries to access the link you put here, meaning you can add different links and decide which country you want to access the link. For the United States, I'm again going to redirect to my YouTube channel. If you want to add more countries to target, click Add. I'm going to target Netherlands. Also, you can target a specific state of the country. Now for Netherlands, I'm going to redirect people to franksarena.com. I'm adding another country, which is France. For France, I'm going to redirect users to, let's say, google.com. You can add as many countries as you want. Now what's going to happen is that after shortening the link, someone from Netherlands clicks on the link, it's going to redirect them to franksarena.com. If the person is located in France, that same link is going to redirect the person to google.com. And for USA, they will be redirected to my YouTube channel URL. Now apart from these three countries, anybody that clicks on the link from any other country will be redirected to the main URL I put to shorten. I believe you get the idea now. So this link shortener is perfect for affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and you can use to track everything. It's not on countries that you can target. As stated, you can target specific devices as well. So if you want to add more options, click on the Customize again and choose the action you want to apply. Again, for device targeting, you enter which URL to redirect users depending on the device they're using. And it's not only Windows device you can only target, you can choose other devices and then provide the URL you want to redirect users to. I'm not going to target devices, but you can choose to. Now let's test it out and see the results. My VPN is set to United States, so the link will redirect me to my YouTube channel URL. So as you can see, it worked. Now I'm going to change the location to France and test. For France, it should redirect me to google.com. There you have it. I believe you get the idea now. The last thing I'm going to talk about is shortening bulk links at a time. All you have to do is click on the multiple, and then add the links you want shortened one per line. And then when you click on shorten, all the links will be shortened at once. So I'm going to add few links. Let's test it out. The first link should redirect me to franksarena.com. The second link should redirect me to facebook.com, and the third link should redirect me to twitter.com. So let's test. There you have it. So that's it for this video. Make sure to follow the exact same steps when building your own link shortener. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content that I will be posting. Thanks for watching.